how to add a photo as a comment on Instagram. So if you want to leave a photo comment on someone's Instagram, the first thing you'll need to do is make sure your Instagram app is fully up to date. Now you can do this by loading up the App Store on your phone, click on your profile icon in the top right hand side, and then select App Updates. Now you need to scroll down the list, and if you see an update button next to Instagram, then just go and press Update. Now once it's finished updating, go and load up the Instagram app. You can then select the photo that you want to leave the photo comment on, click on the comments icon, and you should have an option here for photos. You can go and click on this. So now what you can do is just select the photo you want to leave as a comment. Now if you don't see this icon appear, this is because this person probably has photo comments turned off. So if you head over to your Instagram profile, click on the settings bar in the top right hand side. Now click on the search box, and you can go and search for comments and click on this. Now you'll see at the bottom, allow photo comments. This option needs to be turned on in order for other people to comment photos on your posts.